Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to merge and unmerge cells in a Word table. So let's say that I'm preparing an executive briefing document for a media roundtable, and I want to put in the location in each cell. But actually, the media roundtable will be happening in the same room. So instead of copy-pasting the room to each cell, actually I don't want to do that. Actually, I want to merge it into one cell, so visually it is easier for my boss to follow. This is very similar to Excel and very easy. All we need to do is to highlight the selected cells, go to Table Tools, go to Layout, and click on this button here, Merge Cells. So we're going to merge 5 cells into one. And actually there's another problem. You see here that the text is actually at the top of the cell, and what we really want is for the text to appear in the middle of the cell, so it looks nicer. Or you might be tempted to do it manually and press the Enter key manually until we get to the desired position. But actually don't do that, because when the table grows or more text are being added, it will not be at the center anymore, and visually it doesn't look nice. So a better alternative is to go to Alignment and select this button here, Align Center. And the text will be perfectly aligned in the center, even if the table grows or more text are being added in the future. Now, but actually I have another problem. My boss just told me that the media registration and the VIP media tour will be happening at another room, and then the media roundtable will be happening at another room. So how do we do that? Actually, we will need 2 cells instead of 1. Now, if you look closely, there is no unmerged cells in Word, but next to the Merge Cell button, there is a Split Cells button. So let's try that. Number of column 1. Number of rows, we want 2 rows because it is happening at 2 different locations. Oh, but the error message says that the number must be a divisor of 5. Why is that? This is because in order to split the cell, we need to restore it to the same number of rows that were before we merge it. So in this case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So in that case, we will need to split the cells into 5 rows in order for Word to understand in 1 column. So click OK. So now it is restored to the original position, and I will put the executive brief in Ballroom 2 and unmerge it. Then I will merge it and then go to Align Center to put the text in the middle. And that's it. Done.